Have you ever thought about moving to West Virginia? Nestled in the heart of the Appalachian region, West Virginia is a hidden gem, boasting a unique blend of natural beauty and rich history. Known as the Mountain State, it offers an array of scenic landscapes from majestic mountains to tranquil rivers. But it's not just the scenery that makes West Virginia special, it's the people, the culture, the opportunities. Intrigued yet? Good, because we're just getting started. Let's delve into the details about living in West Virginia. Firstly, understanding the people of West Virginia can provide valuable insight. The state is home to approximately 1.8 million people, with a median age of about 42 years. This indicates a balanced mix of both the young and the more mature, contributing to the state's vibrant energy and wisdom. West Virginia is rich in cultural diversity, with a majority of the population being of European descent, in addition to significant African American and Hispanic communities. These various cultural influences have shaped West Virginia's unique blend of traditions, arts, and cuisine. Furthermore, West Virginians are known for their warm hospitality and strong community bonds. The state's smaller population size and rural settings offer a sense of closeness and a slower, more relaxed pace of life. In terms of education, about 85% of adults have at least a high school diploma, reflecting the state's commitment to education. The demographics of West Virginia offer a diverse and welcoming environment. Every location has its advantages and disadvantages. What about West Virginia? Let's start with the pros. West Virginia is known for its breathtaking natural beauty. It's a haven for outdoor enthusiasts with a plethora of activities available such as hiking, fishing, and whitewater rafting. The state also boasts 4 distinct seasons, which means you'll get to experience everything from vibrant fall foliage to snow-covered winters. Now let's talk about the cost of living. It's significantly lower than the national average, making it an affordable option for many. Housing costs are particularly low, which could mean a bigger home or more land for your buck. West Virginia also offers a slower pace of life. It's a place where you can escape the hustle and bustle of big city living and enjoy a more relaxed, laid-back lifestyle. The state is rich in history and tradition, giving residents a sense of cultural heritage and community. But just like any other state, West Virginia has its cons. The job market can be challenging. While there are opportunities in sectors like healthcare and education, other industries such as manufacturing and mining have seen a decrease in jobs. Another downside could be the state's rural nature. While many enjoy the peace and tranquility, it might not be for everyone. Limited shopping options, fewer restaurants, and less entertainment could be a con if you're used to more urban environments. The state also struggles with certain social issues. West Virginia has one of the highest opioid addiction rates in the country, and poverty rates are above the national average. Lastly, while the state's natural beauty is a pro, it also brings challenges. The mountainous terrain can make travel difficult, especially in the winter months, and severe weather, like floods, can be a concern. Weighing these pros and cons can help you make an informed decision. Regardless of where you choose to live, it's crucial to consider what aspects are most important to you. So, is West Virginia the right fit for you? Only you can decide. If you decide to move to West Virginia, where should you settle? A question many ask, and we're here to provide some answers. Let's start with Morgantown, home to West Virginia University, offering a vibrant college town vibe with plenty of amenities and a strong sense of community. Now, if safety is your priority, Weirton could be your spot. It has one of the lowest crime rates in the state. For those who love the charm of small towns, Lewisburg is a gem nestled in the Allegheny Mountains, known for its historic downtown and vibrant arts scene. But if city life is more your style, Charleston, the state's capital, offers a mix of urban amenities and outdoor activities with the Kanawha River running through it. Lastly, for families, Bridgeport stands out with its excellent schools and family-friendly environment. These places offer a great starting point for your housing search. So take a look, and you might just find your new home in the Mountain State. One of the most important factors to consider when moving is the cost of living. So, let's dive into that for West Virginia. The Mountain State is generally known for its affordability. Housing, for instance, is significantly lower than the national average. Whether you're looking to rent or buy, you'll likely find options that won't break the bank. Groceries and utilities also tend to be on the lower end of the scale, making day-to-day living more manageable. When it comes to transportation, costs can vary. If you're in a more urban area with public transit, you might save some money. But in rural areas, a reliable vehicle is often necessary, which can add to your expenses. Healthcare is another consideration. While it's typically more affordable than in many other states, it's still an important part of your budgeting. Living in West Virginia can be affordable, but it's crucial to plan your budget. Job opportunities can greatly influence your decision to relocate. So, let's delve into the job market in West Virginia. The Mountain State boasts a diverse economy with key industries spanning healthcare, education, and government. But the state's economic backbone is undeniably the energy sector, with coal and natural gas leading the charge. In recent years, West Virginia has seen a surge in technology-related jobs, with many tech firms choosing to set up shop in the state's metropolitan areas, a trend that's creating a wealth of opportunities for tech-savvy professionals. The state's unemployment rate, while slightly above the national average, has been on a steady decline, reflecting a positive employment trend. For those with a passion for the outdoors, tourism is a thriving sector, offering a variety of roles from hospitality to adventure guiding. In a nutshell, whether you're a doctor, a teacher, a miner, or a software developer, West Virginia offers diverse job opportunities depending on your skills and interests. Let's talk about taxes in West Virginia. The Mountain State has a progressive income tax system with rates ranging from 3% to 6.5%. This means the more you earn, the higher your tax rate is. Next, let's delve into sales tax. West Virginia imposes a flat 6% sales tax on most goods and services. Although it may not be the lowest, it's certainly not the highest in the nation. Now, on to property taxes. These are generally low in West Virginia, with the average homeowner paying less than 1% of their property's value each year. But remember, rates can vary based on your location and the value of your property. So whether you're planning to work, shop, or own a home in West Virginia, understanding the tax system is crucial. It's all about being prepared and planning ahead. Understanding taxes can help you prepare for your financial future in West Virginia. For families, the quality of education is a top concern. West Virginia takes pride in its education system, which ranges from public and private schools to higher education institutions. Public schools in West Virginia are dedicated to providing quality education, with a focus on core subjects like math, science, and language arts. The state also offers a wide range of programs for special needs students, ensuring that every child has the opportunity to succeed. Private schools, on the other hand, offer a more personalized learning environment. These schools often feature smaller class sizes and unique curriculum options that cater to a student's individual learning style. Higher education is also a strong point in West Virginia. The state is home to several well-respected universities and colleges, offering a breadth of undergraduate, graduate, and professional programs. In essence, whether it's public, private, or higher education, West Virginia provides a variety of educational opportunities for residents. So, is moving to West Virginia right for you? We've covered its diverse demographics, the pros and cons of living there, the best places to reside, and the cost of living. We've delved into the job market and taxes and taken a peek at the schools. It's a lot to consider, so take your time, weigh your options. West Virginia has a lot to offer and could very well be the perfect fit for you. Remember, the best place to live is where you feel at home. Could West Virginia be your next home?